Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how bras are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
The key to true comfort lies in the meticulous conditioning of the fabric and the structural integrity of the molded support.
Fabric tension is holding steady.
And the elasticity levels look perfect. Temperatures are optimal.
Every piece is sewn with accuracy to ensure comfort and durability. Every bra is checked carefully before shipping.
And that's how bras are made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.